How are you here? You were just on stage. That wasn't you? No. How do you have patterns? These were supposed to be gone. You were never supposed to see.
You were hiding this from us this whole time?
No, I have a plan to erase them. No, don't leave. I can still fix it! Look at me. Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me?
You think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And the whole moon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.